Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In the ever-evolving world of smart home security, PTZ pan-tilt zoom Wi-Fi IP cameras have emerged as a popular choice for users seeking versatile and comprehensive surveillance solutions. These cameras offer the flexibility to pan, tilt, and zoom remotely, providing users with a wide field of view and the ability to monitor specific areas with precision. With the added convenience of wireless connectivity, PTZ Wi-Fi IP cameras have become integral in ensuring the safety and security of homes and businesses. Number 5. Annke i51CK PTZ Wi-Fi IP Camera. The 5.0 megapixel Sony CMOS sensor delivers crisp and clear images with a maximum resolution of 2592 x 1944 pixels. The 16x optical zoom, along with 360 degrees viewing angle, ensures no detail goes unnoticed. The PTZ functionality allows for a wide range of motion, with horizontal movement ranging from -10 degrees to 180 degrees and vertical movement from -10 degrees to 180 degrees. Supporting H.264 and H.265 video compression formats, the camera efficiently manages storage space while maintaining high-quality video. The 5.0 megapixel resolution ensures detailed footage for comprehensive monitoring. Number 4. DDBROUGEN A8B PTZ Wi-Fi IP Camera. The camera's plastic shell feels durable and its IP66 rating ensures it is waterproof and weatherproof, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The color options of white and black allow for easy integration with different surroundings. The A8B boasts AI functions, including efficient motion detection. The camera's ability to detect movement enhances its surveillance capabilities, providing peace of mind and timely alerts when needed. With a digital zoom of 4x and an impressive 8MP resolution, the camera delivers high-definition footage. While it lacks optical zoom, the digital zoom compensates to some extent for close-up monitoring. Number 3. ANBIUX A8Q PTZ Wi-Fi IP Camera. The camera boasts a sturdy plastic shell with an IP66 rating, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The white color seamlessly blends with various surroundings, and the dimensions, as shown in the provided photo, allow for flexible installation options either side or wall-mounted. With an impressive 8MP resolution, the camera delivers high-definition video quality. The 80 degrees viewing angle ensures a wide coverage area, and the pan-tilt functionality 0 degrees 360 degrees adds flexibility to monitor different angles effectively. The dual lens system featuring both full color and infrared night vision is a standout feature, ensuring clear footage in all lighting conditions. Number 2. NINIVISION NINIGIGHP55MP PTZ Wi-Fi IP Camera. The camera comes with a sturdy plastic shell, making it durable for both indoor and outdoor use. The white color adds a sleek and modern touch to its appearance. The IP67 rating ensures the camera is waterproof, making it suitable for various weather conditions. Equipped with a 5.0 megapixel CMOS sensor and Sony lens, the camera delivers high-definition video quality. The 100 m IR distance provides clear night vision, and the day and night IR cut filter ensures a seamless transition between day and night modes. The 20x optical zoom is a standout feature, allowing for detailed close-ups without compromising image quality. Number 1. Hikvision ASECAM PTZ Wi-Fi IP Camera. The camera boasts a robust metal shell with an IP67 rating, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Its sleek white color blends seamlessly with any environment, and the vandal-proof design ensures durability in various conditions. Equipped with an 8MP Sony CMOS sensor, the camera delivers stunningly sharp and clear images. The 2.7 to 13.5 mm lens with digital zoom ensures that no detail goes unnoticed. The H.264 and H.265 video compression formats maintain high-quality video while efficiently managing storage space. Thanks for watching this video.